Hey everyone, glad to see you again on Crypto.Zx. If you're new, please think about becoming a subscriber. Now let's talk about XRP. I want to thank everyone in the XRP community for their support. Please keep it up, and these updates will keep coming. But I think everyone knows what's been going on in the cryptocurrency market over the last, say, 2 or 3 days. We did see, the global financial markets see a huge sense of fear in the markets. A huge amount of money was lost. In the last 3 days, about $6.32 to $6.9 trillion have been lost. It's nice to see that things are getting better in the usual businesses, though. And of course, Bitcoin did change that. Obviously, people were thinking back to the good old days, which were obviously 2020. They were too scared, and Bitcoin did go down to $49,000, which I talked about if you watch my daily show. Anyway, as I said, you're seeing a little bit of comfort in the markets. There is a lot of green around right now. When you look at it over a week, XRP is only up about 4% on the whole. It's now up, I'm sorry. Even though it is down 18.2%, no one should say anything bad about it. You all know that this station only shows real life. Really, I want you to look at the market as a whole to see if it's just XRP that's going down or the market as a whole. It's likely that you guys are wondering why Solana is up 12.1%. Jupiter, not Coin, iOS, Gala, XRP are only up 4% because I'm going to tell you one thing that gives us almost all the information we need. But before I start, as always, I want to make it clear that nothing on this channel is meant to be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research. Also do your homework before buying in crypto. For example, if you look at the price of 51 cents, as you can see, we're up 3.1% in USD and 0.4% in Bitcoin. The total market value is less than $30 billion, about $28.48 billion, and about $1.8 billion worth of trades happen every 24 hours. As you may have seen in the news, take this away, this is something I don't know. You can see, though, that the XRPL testnet might be down for a while in the middle of August. As far as we know, this is why. If you don't know this, don't worry, we'll cover it here. To make things more stable, Ripple will reset the XRP ledger testnet on August 19th, 2024. Lower the costs of running nodes and make them safer. Some people think that reset is for testing tokenizers, treasury bills, and Ripple is putting $10 million into the projects to help them succeed. We also know about this story that came out last week. Again, this is very, very exciting news. It's been talked about that tokenization works. I really believe this is the reason they are going to do this. There you have it. Resets make the testnet more stable and lower the cost of running a testnet node. We'll let you know when it's finished. Just to remind you, along with the testnet XPR, members of the XRPL community are urged to make and run more testnets to meet a wide range of testing and development needs. You can see for yourself that the team came to the conclusion that institutions are looking at where to tokenize their real-world assets more and more. The addition of T-bills to XRPL, which is powered by OpenEden, solidifies the decentralized Layer 1 blockchain as one of the best places to tokenize real-world assets. I've been talking about this every day. You guys know that on the Crypto.Zx channel, we don't talk about price expectations that are too high or too low. I tell you the truth all the time. One step at a time. Do not think about the long term. That is not the right thing to do. You need to think about what's possible. First, think about the outcome before you think about anything else. If you look at this, though, you can see that it tells you everything. We are aware that on the XRP system, XRP is not the only local token that could be used. Other things could also be used to move money around, especially with the introduction of the stablecoin. Well, that begs the question, which you can't avoid. I know the XRP moon boys don't like hearing this, but it's the truth. Of course, this could cause the price of XRP to rise, and it's possible that XRP will be the main coin used. This is because it's a native token for the XRP ledger platform. Of course, if a lot of good news comes out, like big companies starting real-world assets and tokenizing them on the XRP ledger, the game will change once more because of the rumors. And it's clear that the news will make people excited about the price of XRP. But a lot of people get them mixed up, as well as XRP and Ripple. You need to make things clear. But there's some really nice stuff here. Please let me know what you think about this. Also, if you look at the trend, the Google trend of how many people are searching for XRP, you still haven't seen the number of searches and excitement that we saw back in November, even though we're in a bull market. That's likely to change. A lot of interest is coming in, and recently there has been huge interest. This is a sign of an upward trend. It's likely that many people will comment on this video that, oh well, since XRP has lost about 20% in value in the last 3 days. Now, I hope you understand my main point. Everything is down right now. Know how the market works. You should be paying attention to more than just XRP. People who only pay attention to XRP or one altcoin and ignore the market know how it moves. That's the worst mistake you can make. You should think about what's going on with the bigger market. No matter what, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance index, you can see that it is about to break out again. And I said that in my review video that came out not long ago. To be honest, it's almost ready to break out and set a new monthly high. Again, this means that altcoins will be slower than, say, Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin can't get back above the important resistance level of 58,000, and if Bitcoin were to maybe try the next support level, which is 53,700 again, we did that on July 5th. If that does happen, that power will go through the roof. It looks like altcoins will once again fall behind. It looks like the stock market is getting a little better today, but I still don't buy it yet. For me, I still have this gut feeling. And just to be clear, guys, I've been in this market for 8 years and seen some of the craziest price changes it's ever seen. For those of you who are already comparing this to 2021, let's be honest, this is not even close. As you may remember, we almost died out totally in 2020. This time it wasn't a good thing either, but it's not that bad. To give you an idea of how big this is, the market has dropped 30%, but it's now starting to rise again. Bitcoin hasn't been able to get back to 23.6 yet, but we'll see what happens. Now that we've said that, let's see what's going on with XRP. Some trolls will probably say something like, XRP isn't going up, this is a stable coin, it hasn't done anything in the last 3 to 4 years. Is that the case? Well, all you have to do is look at your collection and ask yourself one question. Is this the only coin you have in your hand? What do you do if the answer is yes? You are to blame. You need to spread out your investments. That really is as easy as that. In any case, you can see the pattern of build-up at work. The price of XRP is currently below the key support lag, which is around 58.3 cents. This level of resistance is acting as a barrier at the moment. Now, though, let's shift our attention to the daily period to get a better sense of what we're seeing. I'm not sure why it just got. We don't need VeChain, though. We need XRP. Us. Where is it? There we are. This is what you're looking at right now. Let's change the period to every day. Of course, we know what took place. It's clear that the market adjusted, and XRP is no different. XRP did reach that 66-cent price point this month alone. You did see a 34% decline, guys. That's pretty much the same price that a lot of people aren't paying attention to right now. For example, what if I told you that it holds up really well against Bitcoin? It's really amazing to see, because once again, dominance is through the roof, and uncertainty levels are through the roof. If you think XRP won't react to Bitcoin's 30% move, I hope you understand that's not the case, because you know it will. Also, I know this was a huge wake-up call for many, but the price action you see here is very similar. Lots of other projects have dropped a lot more than Bitcoin because it has become more popular. That's a great sign that the XRP progress we were talking about wasn't something that happened out of the blue. You were right, XRP was showing some good progress. And if you look at it, if you bought it for 43.3 cents and got lucky, because these prices didn't last long, you were up 18.4% in a flash. Now, though, if you look at the price of XRP as it tries to make its way to the upset while Bitcoin's price is fluctuating, you can see that it faces key resistance. Still, I think that XRP will be the most popular coin, and that its price will be linked to the price of Bitcoin if it can go a little higher, and could quickly get back past the barrier at the 58th key. To give you guys some perspective, that's an extra 13% move, but I think that can happen very quickly and shock a lot of people. Since there is a lot of doubt right now, I'm sure that some people who really believe in XRP are taking advantage of this and buying XRP at a lower price. Even though people aren't as excited, these prices make you start to test them again. If you look at the 50th Fibonacci retracement level, which is at 78.6, this is where everyone becomes a huge fan of meme coins, XRP or any other coin.